today I'm going to be talking about how to force bulbs, and I'm going to start the process to force my Amaryllis bulb that I got in the mail a few days ago. So I have been forcing bulbs for a few months now. I started with hyacinth bulbs, and I've got one to show you here. That's sort of in the process. It hasn't bloomed yet. But I've gone through several rounds of blooming hyacinths. Here's one I have right now. What it is it's a container with little glass marbles in the bottom. You don't need any soil, and you just put the bulbs right on top, and they grow a root structure in there. And you keep the water filled up to the very bottom of the bulb. So I water it every few days just to make sure the water level stays where it needs to be. So these are hyacinths, and they have the prettiest bloom. I don't have any in bloom right now, but I'll show you a picture right here. So bulb forcing is a new hobby of mine. Basically, you need chilled bulbs. So when you order your bulbs, you need them chilled. But actually, you don't need chilled hyacinths, or you don't need chilled Amaryllis bulbs. And since those are the two types of bulbs I'm showing you today, you don't need to buy anything special to make sure they're chilled. The reason why we want most bulbs chilled is so that it goes through that hibernation process before the growth happens and the flower comes out. It needs to feel like it's been winter. I'm going to show you today how to take an Amaryllis bulb and plant it, which is the easy part, and then you watch it grow for about 6 weeks or so, 6 or 7 weeks, and the results are absolutely miraculous. So I'll show you a little clip of a video after I'm all done with this process, after it's had several weeks to grow and to bloom, and you can see what the finished product looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. I haven't even opened the box. Okay, here we go. So it comes in a little canvas bag like this. And this is called a Red Lion Amaryllis. So typically you're going to want to plant these in the fall in the ground, and you would plant them when the ground is, the weather turns consistently cool, which is like the 60s during the day. Now for what we're going to do, we're going to plant this bulb in a pot. And we're going to leave it indoors and let it grow. So here is the Red Lion Amaryllis bulb. Look at the root structure here. And you can see it's already starting to come out the top here. We definitely need to get this in some soil. So I've just got a little pot like this, and I'm going to also place the pot in a basket and watch it grow every day. This is the simple part. All we have to do is put soil in here, put this kind of sticking out of the soil like this, and then water it. We want to keep it moist. We don't want to water it too much, but we want to keep it moist. And we'll kind of monitor the growth. What usually happens is that after you plant it and it starts waking up, this part right here will turn green, and these leaves will start poking out the top. I've got some soil right here. I've got my pot here. I'm going to fill my pot with soil. Going to take my bulb and make sure the roots get way in there. And I'll go ahead and post the link to this particular, the company that I got this bulb from up above. The company I got it from is called Tulip World. All right. Now we just need to water this and put it in some light. Well, I'm back after 6 weeks and my Amaryllis bulb has just grown and flourished and bloomed, and it's absolutely beautiful. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blooms on this thing, and it's just absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys get to maybe try this out. Bulb forcing is a new passion of mine, and especially Amaryllis bulbs, and I think I'll be doing this a couple times a year. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.